Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Jeffy and this is my best friend Android the Chihuahua. Today we're going to be sharing with you guys a really cool recipe for banana bread, and this recipe is really cool because it's really inexpensive. I found this in a Facebook group called Cheap Meal Ideas, and the girl who made it originally made it for under $4. I tried to do the same thing today, but my Walmart was out of a lot of stuff, so I had to go to another store. I would say the biggest thing is this bag of walnuts was like $3.50 at the store I went to, and Walmart has these little bags of walnuts for 98 cents, and I saw the spot, like the shelf where they're supposed to be, but there were none there, so that was a little disappointing. But if you're lucky and you catch everything in stock at your store, you could do this whole project for under $4, which is great because we're going to end up with quite a few of these little banana nut bread things. Step one is going to be mashing up our bananas, and if you have older bananas, this job is going to be a lot easier. I got the stuff for us today, so these bananas are pretty fresh. It might take a little bit of extra pressure to push them down, but they will work. We're using 3 bananas. So this is our mushy, mashy bananas. All right, so now that our banana is all mushy, we're going to be adding in our cake mix. You can use any cake mix for this. I prefer the white. All right, once you have your cake mix in your bowl, you're gonna look to the back of your cake box and add in any extra ingredients that it needs. For this one specifically, I'm gonna need some oil and water, which I have pre-measured here. Then I'm also gonna be needing 3 eggs. All right, we are ready for our final ingredient, which is our walnuts. And actually, Android can have nuts, so he'll try 1 walnut. Now he said he's not interested. I'm gonna dump the entire bag in here because I like a lot of walnuts in my banana bread. All right, the only thing left to do is stir. I'm gonna give our little pans a quick spray with this canola oil. These look amazing. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven at 350 for half an hour. So this is how they look cooked. This was at 350 for half an hour and they look perfect. I was surprised how perfectly brown our tops got after just that short period of time. These look so good. I think we should crack one open and see what they taste like. Our loaf popped out of the mold really easily. This is our finished banana bread. Honestly, when I first smelled this after cutting into it, it just smelled like a regular cake, which had me a little bit worried. But once you eat it, you really can taste all those little banana bits and all the walnuts. It's a really delicious medley, and I'm surprised that it turned out as good as it did for being as simple as it is. I would definitely recommend this recipe, 10 out of 10 stars. It was super easy, and we not only have 1 thing of banana bread, but we have 3 extra little things of banana bread that I can gift away. This was definitely one of our best snacks yet. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more videos just like this. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.